The junk industry is changing really fast, and it's about to get even faster because of AI. A lot of guys think, well, AI isn't going to replace me. I'm hauling junk. I'm in a truck. I'm not a paralegal or a marketer, some office worker. And that's true. AI probably won't drive your truck tomorrow, or certainly won't haul the junk. But here's why you still need to worry about it. There are really two ways AI is going to hit this industry hard. The first one's your competition. The guys who are already using AI, they're moving way faster than you, they have better information than you, they're booking jobs quicker, pricing tighter, following up faster. And right now, it might just feel like a small little edge, nothing major, maybe a slowdown, you don't even notice. But at the speed at which AI is evolving means that in the coming months, the gap is going to accelerate. By the time you actually see your competition pulling away from you, it'll probably be too late to catch them. Once they locked up the ad space, the top reviews, better systems, that's pretty much it. You'll be left fighting for scraps. The second hit is going to be the bigger one, and I predict that the middle class is about to completely collapse under AI in the corporate world mainly. I'm not talking about lowest paid workers or the ultra wealthy, of course, because we know that those two groups typically aren't affected during revolutionary changes, affected negatively, I should say. I'm talking about the middle class jobs that always felt safe, like sales reps, paralegals, marketing coordinators, customer service, analysts, admin roles, etc. Those jobs are tailor-made for AI to chew up. First, AI comes in as a helper, making them more productive. That's great. Then companies realize that one worker with AI is worth 3 or 4 or 5. And then comes the final stage, which is replacement. Whole departments will be cut down into a couple of people who just manage AI instead of people. When that cycle's complete, tens of millions of people are going to be looking for their next move. And they're not going to be thinking, most of them aren't going to be thinking, let me spend years retraining. They're going to think, and they're going to feel that they need cash flow and fast. And so where do they go? Where do they turn to? Well, they turn to blue-collar industries like ours, pressure washing, landscape cleaning, and junk removal. And why? It's because junk removal checks every box. It's low startup cost, it's fast setup, there's obvious demand, and it looks very simple from the outside. In a lot of cases it is. If you've been in this industry long enough, you've already seen it once during COVID. Demand spiked, people lost jobs, and suddenly your market was flooded with brand new junk companies, and some are still there. Some markets doubled, or even more than that, with new operators in less than 1 year, 2 years' time. Ads got more expensive, prices got undercut, and customer loyalty was really tested because they had so many options. That was a temporary surge, and I thought it was going to peter out. I thought some companies, when they realized, or some guys, I should say, they were kicking their ass and kicking the shit out of their own trucks, and they weren't really making money. When they look at the bottom line and they're owing taxes and all this stuff after a few years, they would peter out. But the revolution that's coming with AI, job loss, this will be a permanent one. And these new operators won't be waiting out a pandemic or, going the way that I just explained. They'll be building new lives. They'll be scaling their companies, and they'll be competing directly with you and me. And some of them, they'll be dangerous competition because they're coming out of sales jobs. They're coming out of marketing jobs, management jobs. They already know business. They know how to scale. You're not just competing with the guy across town. You're competing with a wave of people who don't even know they're about to lose their jobs yet. And that's one of the reasons why I built the Hauler's Edge AI. It's a GPT-powered tool built for this industry, junk dumpster and demo companies. It's a price estimator, profit calculator, and a how-to guide that you can carry with you in the field. Guys in the industry have already tested it. Big-time pros. One said he made an extra $55 off the very first job he priced with it. He obviously knows how to price jobs, but he used this tool to just see how it works, see if he was crossing his T's and dotting his I's, was he missing anything? And the tool told him that he should be quoting a little higher, and he went with it, and the customer agreed. He made more money just by using this tool. It was pretty amazing. Another guy had a demo job he'd never done before, and the GPT not only priced it really well, but it showed him exactly how to do it without the trial and error, which saved him even more money through the time that he saved. And right now it's free for Hauler's Edge newsletter members and Rich Off Trash newsletter members. AI is reshaping everything. If you wait to adapt, it's going to be really hard to play catch up later.